Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video and in the subsequent videos as well, I am going to share with you all a profound and unconventional method for interpreting the Holy Quran, which right up till the present time is unknown and unexplored. But before we plunge into it and see what this method is all about, let me be very clear that my research on the topic is progressing, so take this exploration as a prototype for further research. I would likewise prescribe you to do your due diligence as well prior to accepting this method as decisive. So without further ado, let's start. As we all know that we can locate a country, city or an object on earth by knowing its geographical coordinates. What if I tell you that in the Quran, God Almighty has encoded geographical coordinates of ancient cities or civilizations that He destroyed for committing mischief in the land? The geographical coordinates of these perished nations are hidden as chapter and verse numbers. Take the Richat structure or the Eye of the Sahara for instance, a strange geological formation in Mauritania, Africa. This massive geological inverse dome contains rocks and sediment tracing all the way back to a period before life on Earth. Visible from space, the Richat structure appears a massive bullseye. Scientists are yet to sort out precisely what made the Richat structure. While it would seem a crater, there is no evidence of an impact. As indicated by a hypothesis, the Eye of the Sahara started to shape when the supercontinent Pangaea fell to pieces. Many people believe Eye of the Sahara to be the mythical city of Atlantis. To give you all a little background, ancient Greek philosopher Plato, in his dialogues Critias and Timaeus, portrays Atlantis as a huge formation of concentric circles switching back and forth between land and water. He stressed that Atlantis was a wealthy utopian civilization that created the basis for the Athenian democratic model. Plato proceeded to depict the land as wealthy in gold, silver, copper, other valuable metals and gemstones. Atlantis, according to Plato, was an innovator in scholarly works, engineering, agriculture, and technology. However, the island was obliterated by an adversity and sank in the profundities of the ocean. The people who believe in the Richat structure to be the mythical city of Atlantis craft a convincing argument by quoting Plato and his depictions of the fictional city of Atlantis, which could very easily be transposed onto the physical structure of the eye that we see today. On the other hand, most experts dismiss the account of Atlantis as fantasy, one that is certainly false. Whether the Richat structure is the lost city of Atlantis or not, I don't know. But what I do know is, Quran discusses the Eye of the Sahara as a city obliterated by God. Because if you look at the geographical coordinates of the Eye of the Sahara, by simply searching Eye of the Sahara on Google or Wikipedia, you get 21 degrees north and 11 degrees west. Now match the geographical coordinates of the Richat structure with the chapter and verse number in the Quran and you will have an astounding revelation. Chapter 21 verse 11 of the Quran speaks of a society obliterated by God for her wrongdoings. I literally had goosebumps when I first discovered the correlation. The verse says, "And how many societies of wrongdoers we have destroyed, raising up other people after them." When we read in continuity, the subsequent verses say, "When the wrongdoers sensed the arrival of our torment, they started to run away from their cities. They were told, 'Do not run away, return to your luxuries and your homes, so you may be questioned about your fate.' They cried, 'Woe to us, we have surely been wrongdoers.' They kept repeating their cry until we moved them down, leaving them lifeless." So amazingly, the Quran proposes that Eye of the Sahara was actually a wealthy, luxurious town destroyed by God Almighty for committing injustice. As I have mentioned before, Richat structure is ancient, and if the Quranic account of the Richat structure being a human settlement destroyed by God is correct, then there may be traces of an ancient civilization older than anything that we have discovered today. Maybe there were civilizations more advanced and wealthy before us lost in the sands of time. That is all for today's video. Thank you everyone for watching. If you found this video to be of any value, then please share it with everyone you know so that more and more people get to know of this amazing discovery. Thank you very much. Jazakallahu khair.